Why HR specialization? HR is the strategic heart of every organization. In today's complex business environment, HR is not just a support function. It plays a strategic role in decision-making, shaping workforce planning, leadership development, and cultural transformation. Managing talent as a competitive advantage. Building organizational culture and engagement. Facilitating change and innovation. Ensuring legal compliance and ethical practice. Emerging trends in HR. Digital HR and HR tech. People analytics. Remote and hybrid work models. Diversity, equity and inclusion. Employee experience, EX, and well-being. Learning and upskilling. HR in action, real-world applications. Recruitment and talent strategy, hiring the right talent through structured processes and data-driven decisions. Performance management, setting goals, evaluating output, and coaching for continuous improvement. Compensation and benefits, designing competitive, fair, and motivating pay structures. Industrial relations and compliance, ensuring harmony between management and employees while adhering to laws. Leadership development, creating future leaders through succession planning, coaching, and mentoring. Human resource management is evolving into one of the most dynamic, impactful, and tech-driven career paths. With the right HR knowledge and specialization, you can become a key driver of people excellence and organizational success. If you're passionate about people, leadership, culture, and impact, HR isn't just a career choice. It's your opportunity to shape the future of work. Firebird Institute of Research in Management, where creativity meets commerce.